Hello everyone. Today we're talking about the one in, one out rule of decluttering. That means if you need a new blouse and you buy a new blouse, you either have given away the blouse that it replaced or thrown away, or you go and look through your blouses and pick out a blouse that you like the least, that doesn't fit you well, that doesn't feel good on, that doesn't go with three things, whatever, and pull that out and give it away or throw it away depending on the quality of that particular blouse. The same goes for shoes, the same goes for dishes, the same goes for everything that you bring into your home. New one in, old one out. So be very mindful of what you really want to keep in your house. Give yourself an idea of how many things you want of what things. Like how many pairs of summer shoes do you want to keep? How many pairs of jeans do you need to have, etc. Okay, that's it for today. Have a great day.